Hello everyone, I am Renato from Guitars AI and from Ilmenau University of Technology, and I'm here today to promote some free online educational materials for people interested in audio signal processing, machine learning for audio signals, and music technology. It always started when I began my PhD and I started working together with Professor Gerhard Schuler to design a collection of video tutorials and Jupyter notebooks covering the content of several subjects that are offered by the Institute for Media Technology at TU Ilmenau. So I designed materials for multi-rate signal processing, audio coding, advanced digital signal processing, and the project workshop Machine Learning for Audio Signals using Python. This project grew. I no longer work for TU Ilmenau designing these online materials, but I do other tutorials and other educational materials for people interested in audio and music technology. At my YouTube channel Guitars AI, you'll find a series of playlists such as Introduction to Google Colab for Research, Basics of Musical Instruments Classification. This is basically using machine learning and deep learning to classify musical instruments. We have the multi-rate signal processing with Python, the advanced digital signal processing using Python, machine learning for audio signals in Python. We have the audio coding. We have deep learning, DDSP, timbre transfer in Python, basics of automatic music transcription, basics of embedded audio programming using C, and many other materials. At the GitHub Guitars AI, you'll find all the Jupyter notebooks with embedded video tutorials, embedded lecture notes. We cover all the theories. We provide a series of Python examples where you can just go, for example, to Google Colab of MyBinder without any need for configuring your own Python environment. You can run everything from the cloud. And here we have ADSP tutorials, multi-rate signal processes, topics in audio and music technology. We have audio shorts, which is a series of short Python codes with tricks and tips for audio signal processing and much more. All the materials, they are online and free. So I would be very glad if you could spread the word, share with your students, with your colleagues, with anyone that might be interested in such free online educational materials, and I check you later.